Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Layout to Lineside. Today is the Spring Steam Gala on my model railway, which will see the use of 5 steam locomotives, multiple passenger and goods trains across the entire railway. So the first departure of the day would be from the upper level station, and it was to be hauled by my 56XX. And shortly after departing the upper level station, the 5600 and its train arrived at the lower level station, where it was due to pass to the West Country, which was hauling the Maunsell set. And shortly after the departure of the West Country, the 5600 departed in the opposite direction. And soon the West Country arrived at the upper level station. Here it was due to detach from the Maunsell set, which was to be hauled by the C-Class for the return leg of the journey. And with the West Country detached from its train, the C-Class could run around and join on to the front. And after attaching onto its train, the C-Class could depart for the lower level. Meanwhile, at the lower level station, the N2 had arrived with the goods train from the other end of the line. And soon afterwards, the C-Class arrived with the Maunsell set. And with the line ahead clear, the N2 could depart to the lower level station with its goods train. And soon after that, the C-Class departed with the Maunsell set in the other direction. And shortly after departing the lower level, the N2 arrived at the upper level, where it was due to detach from the goods train, which was to be taken over by the West Country. And after the N2 had detached from the goods train, the West Country could run around and join onto the front. And after coupling onto its train, with the sun finally starting to re-emerge, the West Country could depart for the lower level. Meanwhile, at the lower level station, the 56XX had arrived from the other end of the line with the Mark I set. Here it was scheduled to pass the West Country, which was to run fast through the station with the goods train. And shortly after that, with the line ahead clear, the 56XX could depart with the Mark I set for the upper level. And shortly after departing the lower level, the 56XX and its train arrived at the upper level. Here the 56XX was due to couple up to the N2, which would be double-heading the train for the rest of the day. And after the N2 had moved back off shed, ready for the double-header, the 56XX could detach from its train and run around. And after both the locos had been coupled together and coupled onto their train, the train could depart for the lower level. And shortly after departing the upper level station, the double-header arrived at the lower level station. Since it was the last train of the day, it did not pass any other trains here and was soon able to continue on down the line. And with that will be the end of today's video. If you've enjoyed, please consider subscribing as it helps hugely to grow the channel. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.